In today's video, I am going to teach you how to design a social media graphic in Figma. Start by opening a new file and selecting the Frame tool. Shortcut F. In the right panel, choose a preset size so you are building at the correct dimensions. For a square post, pick Instagram post at 1080 by 1080 pixels. For a landscape layout, Facebook post at 1200 by 630 pixels works well. Choosing the right frame up front helps avoid awkward cropping and ensures your design looks the way you intended on different platforms. With the frame selected, set your background using the fill control in the right-hand panel. Pick a solid color for a bold minimal look or switch to a gradient if you want depth and direction. Adjust gradient handles to guide the viewer's eye toward your headline. Keep contrast in mind, light text over dark backgrounds or dark text over light is key for readability. If you are using brand colors, this is a good place to apply them consistently. Now, add your elements. Press T for the text tool and type your headline or supporting copy. In the right panel, tune the font, weight, and size to create hierarchy. A strong legible headline paired with simpler body text keeps the message clear. Aim for comfortable line spacing and avoid cramming too many words. Social graphics perform best with concise. Use the shape tools to draw rectangles, circles, or polygons. Shapes can act as color blocks, buttons, or subtle accents that frame your message. For images, upload from your computer or use a plugin like Unsplash to drop in high-quality photos. Resize from a corner to maintain proportions and position the image so it complements your text. If the photo competes with your headline, place a semi-fade transparent shape behind the text to improve contrast. As your composition grows, keep it neat. Organize layers in the left panel, so elements are easy to find and adjust later. Use alignment tools to center items. Distribute spacing evenly and snap objects with precision. Leave consistent margins around the edges, so nothing feels cramped. For a modern, friendly look, increase the corner radius on selected shapes to round the edges slightly. When you are happy with the design, it's time to export. Select the frame, then in the bottom right panel click Export. Choose JPG or PNG. PNG preserves crisp edges and supports transparency. JPG is great for photo-heavy posts. Set the scale to 2x or 4x for a sharper result after social compression. Then export your file. That's it. Thanks for watching.